Hey, what's going on, guys and gals? Tonight I just wanted to show you guys some really cool ratchets that Matco just came out with. They're very limited. They got the 40th anniversary on them, the new laser etch, and the pink handle. Here's what they look like in the case they come with. I'm not really the biggest fan of the foam case, but it's alright. It's nice. This is for Breast Care Awareness Month. So, it's a 1 month only thing to be able to get these. And one really cool thing about them is they're running a special on them. In my area, you got the both of them for $185, which is a hell of a good deal. And Matco really just doesn't make very many deals on their ratchets, so it's a really good opportunity to take. And I mean, even if they do them again next year, these are going to be the only ones that have the 40th anniversary stamp on them. So I'm sure one day in the future they're going to be pretty collectible. Here's what a traditional one looks like. They just came out with these new black ones. I almost jumped on one. I was going to get a black one with the red handle, but I figured this would be enough for this week. Really nice. I like the variety of them. So yeah, if you guys didn't know they're running this special and got this deal going on, check them out. I might even go pick myself up another set. Just because I can. Alright guys. I'll cut this video off. See you guys next time.